Do robots use other types of energy? When we think about robot energy, the first thing that comes to mind is batteries. And while electrical energy is the most common, the truth is that robots use a variety of power sources, each chosen for very specific reasons. Electrical energy is the main option. Most modern robots run on electricity, but there are two approaches. Batteries are the power source for mobile robots, from flying drones to Mars rovers. Their main advantage is mobility, though their limitation is runtime. On the other hand, large industrial robots, like those in a car factory, are connected directly to the electrical grid, which allows them to work 24/7 without stopping. But beyond electricity, there are two other very important sources. Pneumatic energy is generated from compressed air. Robots that use it are incredibly fast and strong, and they're often used for pick-and-place applications or for robot grippers where speed is crucial. Their disadvantage is that they are less precise. Then we have hydraulic energy, which relies on pressurized fluids like oil. Hydraulic robots are incredibly powerful and can exert a huge amount of force. They are used in heavy-duty applications like in construction or in robots that lift entire cars in a factory. And on the cutting edge of technology, other options are being explored. Solar energy is used by robots like the Curiosity rover on Mars. Nuclear energy is employed for long-duration space exploration missions. And there is even research into biohybrid robots that use energy from biological cells. In conclusion, the choice of a robot's power source is a balance based on its mission's needs. Electrical energy provides versatility, pneumatic energy gives speed, hydraulic energy offers strength, and other specialized sources drive exploration and innovation.